channel Shaura Sanate, and I know I've not been regular with my videos, but because of the wedding coming up, I'm just not getting the time to make a lot of content for you guys. But I'm going to promise that I'm going to be regular on this channel too. So for today's video, I thought of sharing with you guys what's in my wedding makeup bag. So this is what my wedding makeup bag looks like. This has all the things that I'd like to carry around during the wedding for touch-ups or any last minute makeup that I have to do. So let's not waste any more time and show you guys what's inside. To start off, this bag is from Victoria's Secret and this is rose gold in color and it's sturdy, so it's amazing and easy to carry around. So let's open this bag. This is how the bag looks like from inside. It has 3 major compartments and a huge ass mirror, which is really handy. So let me just pull out things one by one and show you what all is inside. The first thing in here is my Tarte 12-Hour Brightening Primer. I'm in love with this primer. It actually helps your makeup glide on really easily and last really long. So this is one of my favorites these days. The next thing that I have is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange. I majorly use this if I haven't slept that well and if I have a little under eye darkness. So to camouflage that, I use the LA Girl Concealer in Orange. Then I have the Bobbi Brown Full Cover Concealer. Now this baby works like magic, I'm not even kidding. If you guys haven't tried this, then you should definitely give this a try. And for all bride-to-bees, I'd recommend this particular product for you guys. So if you haven't tried it, do give it a try. And then the next thing is my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation. I swear by this product and I've been using this for the past 2 years now. I haven't changed it. It works really well on your skin. It doesn't make it too dry, it doesn't make it too oily. It just is the perfect matte that you want on your D-Day or on your side functions. So yeah, this is what I love. This is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation. Moving on to powder, this is the Clinique's Translucent Powder. It's a basic loose powder that you use to bake or set your base with. So this is what I use. Then moving on to contour, highlight, blush, all of that. I use the Tarte Contour Palette. This is how the palette looks like. I'm pretty sure if you guys follow me on Instagram, you must have seen this palette a lot. I'm in love with this palette. It has like one bronzer, a contour shade, then 2 highlighters, a blush. It's like a one-man army. It comes really handy when you're doing your makeup and major thing that I carry. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I have the MAC eyeshadow palette. Now these have all nude shades and it has a little bit of shimmer, bronze and a shimmery brown color as well. So it's the perfect shimmer and nude when it comes to your wedding. So this is what I'm carrying. Then I have an extra blush right here. This is from Clinique as well. The blush in the Tarte palette is a little mauvey. This one is a little brighter. So I thought just to have an option of a brighter blush, I should carry one. So this one is from Clinique. And then I also have a chubby stick highlighter from Clinique. Now if I want to add that extra highlight, I would use this and then go on to put my powder highlight from the Tarte palette. So it will add on to the extra glow and give that extra shine and shimmer. So yeah, this is for that. Then moving on to eyebrows, I have the Benefit Brow Pencil. Now this is what the pencil looks like. It's in a very light brown shade and I'm in love with it. It also has a high brow, so this is like a highlighter which you could use on your brow bone to highlight that. So yeah, these are the 2 things that I'm carrying for my brows. Then moving on to mascara, I have the Benefit Real Mascara. If you guys are looking at thick fluttery lashes, then you should definitely give this a try. And I've been using this since the past 2-3 months now. I'm just not over it. This is an amazing mascara to try on. If you guys haven't tried it, then you can try it out. Then moving on to kajal, I have the Nykaa Iron 24/7 kajal. Now this one stays forever. I'm not even kidding. I have always told you guys that the plum kajal stays forever. This is exactly like that. If the plum kajal stays for like hours on my lids, this also stays for the same time. And it's jet black, so that's another advantage. So this is the kajal that I'm carrying. Now, I don't use kajal on my lower lash line. I just use a really dark eyeshadow. I just smudge it on my lower lash line just to give that effect that I have. Now basically for a wedding there are a lot of oranges, reds, pinks, so I have kept shades which I can mix and match, and probably mix 2 shades and get another one. So firstly there's a lip balm. This is also from MAC. This is their Peppermint lip balm. Then I have a brown lip pencil from Bobbi Brown, so this is that. Then I have 2 shades of red, one is blood red and one is a deeper red. So even if I want to mix these two and make a new shade, then I can do that. Then I have 2 shades of pink. One is a little darker, one is a little lighter. Again, if I want to mix it up, then I can use that. Also, if I want to lighten any of these shades, then I have a nude lip color. This is from Faces. So just in case if I want to reduce or lighten up my makeup, or if I just want to go for a nude lip, then this is what I use. So these are all the lipsticks that I'm carrying for my wedding. Oh, there's another red that I found. This one's from Huda Beauty, so this is another red that I'm carrying. Then I have a couple of brushes for my face, eyes, contour, all of that. So these are the brushes that I'm carrying. And I have a small perfume bottle right here which fits in this bag. It has a very candy-ish, fruity, floral, sticky kind of fragrance as I like it. So yeah, it's called Pink and Candy, and Akriti picked this up for me from London. So this is what I'm carrying around. It's tiny and fits perfectly well in this bag. So yeah, this is that. And that's it. My makeup bag is empty now. So these are all the things that I was carrying in my wedding makeup bag. If you guys think that there's anything else that I can also keep in this bag, then do let me know. There's also a giveaway for you guys. All you have to do is comment below and tell me one product, one makeup product that you swear by. And also don't forget to tag your Instagram handle. And I'm going to announce winners super soon, and you guys are going to get a goodie bag from my side. And yep, that's about it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Shorter Scenario.